Hello, friends. Today, we will learn about the states of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. We can see, touch, smell, taste, and feel matter. You are made of matter. Your house is made of matter. The earth is made of matter. Everything that you can imagine is made of matter. Now, the question is, what is matter? How do we know about it? How does it behave? And how many forms does it have? Well, scientists say matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. And as for its forms, they say matter can exist in four main states: solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. Let's first talk about solids. They have a fixed shape and volume. Their particles are closely packed together and they vibrate in place. Some examples of solids are your toys, your books, and your shoes. Now, if you put a solid substance on a hot plate, the particles will gain energy and start moving around. If the substance is water, it will melt and become a liquid. When a liquid freezes, it becomes a solid. So, melting is a phase change from solid to liquid. Now, if you take a solid, like dry ice, and put it on a hot plate, it will turn directly into a gas. This is called sublimation. Similarly, if you have water in the form of gas, like water vapor, when it comes in contact with a cold surface, it will turn into a solid. This is called deposition. Now let's talk about liquids. They have a definite volume, but they don't have a fixed shape. Their particles are close together, but they are not as close as in a solid. They can move around more easily and they can flow. Examples of liquids are water, milk, and juice. If a liquid is left uncovered, some of it will turn into a gas. This is called evaporation. When a liquid turns into a gas at a temperature below its boiling point, it is called vaporization. Similarly, if there is water in the air, which is in the form of gas, when it comes in contact with a cold surface, it will turn into a liquid. This is called condensation. Now let's talk about gases. They don't have a fixed shape or volume. Their particles are far apart and they move around freely. All the familiar changes of state, like melting, freezing, evaporation, can also occur with gases. When a gas is cooled, it may turn into a liquid. This is called condensation. When a gas turns directly into a solid, it is called deposition. Also, if the temperature of a gas is very high, it can lose its electrons and turn into a plasma. This is called ionization. Finally, let's talk about plasma. It is a superheated, high-energy state of matter.